Manjeera. We begin this evening's program with an Odissi vocal recital by Srimati Sangeeta Panda. Srimati Sangeeta Panda was raised in a family steeped in the tradition of classical music. From a young age, she immersed herself in the rich tapestry of Odissi as well as Hindustani music, honing her skills under the guidance of her esteemed father, the legendary musician, Guru Dr. Gopal Chandra Panda. An A-grade artist of Akashvani, Sangeetachi received recognition as a rising star in Odisha's classical music scene. She has been honored with a number of prestigious awards and recognitions from all over the country, including junior and senior fellowship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She has participated in many prestigious musical performances and has conducted lecture demonstrations both in the country and abroad. Her performances, characterized by soulful renditions and emotive expressions, have captivated audiences. As a torchbearer of her family's legacy, she endeavors to pass on the invaluable traditions of classical singing to future generations through educational initiatives and collaborations. At present, she is the managing trustee of Guru Gopal Panda Odissi Academy, one of the leading cultural institutions. For this evening, her accompanying musicians are, and I request them to kindly come on the stage, Mardala, Shri Pradipta Maharana, harmonium, Shri Suresh Kumar Sethi, flute, Shri Nikhil Kumar, and Manjeera, Sushri Kalyani Behra. Ladies and gentlemen, vocal recital by Srimati Sangeeta Panda.
सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. I'm really grateful to Kavita Di and the Sanchari Foundation to giving me this beautiful opportunity to sing Gita Govinda. And on these auspicious days, just yesterday, it's the Jayanti of Sri Kavi Jayadev. जितने भी रसिक हैं, अगर शुरुआत में कहूँ कि नृत्य की आधार संगीत होती है और संगीत की आधार साहित्य होती है, जिस साहित्य को लेकर आज ओडिसी नृत्य और संगीत समृद्ध, लोकप्रिय और इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंची है, उसकी श्रेय सबसे पहले श्री कवि जयदेव को ही जाता है. Then next is for Odissi music. It has been already accepted that Jayadev is the first person who wrote the musical ballads with particular distinctive raga and tala at 12th century, when there was no prachalan, no convincing efforts of raga and tala, but at that time he was the first person to mention the raga and tala for this Giti Kavyas. So from this, now we are at a point that this will be the guiding line, guiding lamp for Odissi music, Odissi dance, that we are really so grateful to him that at 12th century he could write the ragas and talas and give the whole world Gita Govinda. Today I will sing Gita Govindas all based on the original ragas and talas that has been mentioned by Jayadev. It's when you know so many compositions have been done with dance, music, in all the forms of dance, but with the Sahitya, I have taken the grammatical aspect of Sri Jayadev ji, that which ragas and talas he has been mentioned. It's all my father's, my guru's efforts that he could done his research on this from last 50 and 40 years, and he could reach at the point that these ragas are there in our text, in our history, that can make us more strength and give Odissi music an authentic textual context to start with. First Ashtapadi I have taken the Sashta Prabandha. It is Raga Gundakiri. Why I have said that we got the textual context, because it's just the name. We can say Jayadeva mentioned the ragis. Do you have this authentic evidence that this has been done with Jayadeva and this raga is there in Odissi music from so long? It is there. Why I say the nyasa, the textual context of Gundakiri is Sarja nyasa grahang sesa Gondakri mapa bistruta Ridha hina dinadacha Gata vesta rase budhe. This is the sloka, nyasa sloka. It has been found in 3 of the texts of like Gita Govinda, Sangita Narayana, Sangita Muktabali. Though these texts are of different time period, but they have given the same evidential textual context for Gundakiri Raga. Let me start with, I need your blessings. Thank you. Saga 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 sani saga ma pa ma pa ni saga ni ga sani pa ma ni pa ma विस्तृत रीधा हिना निभृत निकुंज गृहं निभृत निकुंज गृहं गतयानिसि निभृत निकुंज गृहं गतयानिसि रहसि निलीय वसन्तं रहसि निलीय वसन्तं चकित विलोकित चकित विलोकित सकल दिशा चकित विलोकित सकल दिशा रतिराभास वसेन हसन्तं सखे केसि मतनमुदारं सखे प्रथम समागम लज्जितया पटुचाटु सतैरनुकूलम् प्रथम समागम लज्जितया प्रथम समागम लज्जितया पटुचाटु सतैरनुकूलम् Next, I am taking a very unique raga that we believe, and the scholars of Gita Govinda, the followers of Gita Govinda, believe that this raga is uniquely formed, structured by Jayadeva himself. The raga name is Desa Varadi. जयदेव के बाद जो कवियों ने, जो स्कॉलर्स ने काम किया है, इस राग को बहुत से किताबों में मिली है उसकी छाया, बट किसी और संगीत धारा में अब तक नहीं मिली है। इसलिए हम मानते हैं ये श्री जयदेव जी की खुद की रचना है, खुद की बनाई हुई, खुद की कल्पना की हुई एक राग है। दसम प्रबंध, राग देश वराड़ी। सारे मा पा धा मा धा पा मा पा नी सा रे रे नी रे सा सा रे नी धा पा मा पा नी धा पा मा ग रे प म ग रे सारे 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 मा पा धा मा धा पा। ओडिसी की रूपक ताल में आधारित है। ताल भी जयदेव जी ने बहुत सी सब रागों में दी हुई है। बहती मालया समीरे मदन मुप निधाया, बहती मालया समीरे मदन मुप निधाया, स्फुटति कुसुम निखरे विरहि हृदय दहनाय, तव विरहे बनमाली, तव विरहे little with a song that every Odia and our Mahaprabhu Jagannath ji will be listening from for last 15 days now, because yesterday Chandana Jatra शुरू हुई है, तो उसी चंदन चर्चित नीड़ करे बर आई विल कंक्लूड विद दिस. ये है राग रामकिरी में सा रे गा पा दा गा दा पा गा पा धा सा धा रे सा सा नि धा पा मा गा रे गा पा मा गा रे सा सा रे गा पा धा गा धा पा. Unique raga of Odissi music scenario. Chandana charchita Chandana charchita Neela kalevara Chandana charchita Chandana charchita Neela kalevara Pitavasana vanamali Pitavasana vanamali Keli chalan mani kundala manita Keli chalan mani kundala manita Ganda yuga smita sali Hari rihamuga badhuni kare Hari rihamuga badhuni kare Vilasini vilasati Vilasini vilasati Keli tare Hari rihamuga badhuni kare. Pina payodara Pina payodara bhara bharena Sanida sanida ba ba da ma ba da ni sa re sa Sani sa re ni re sanida sanida ba da ma ga ma re ga re sa Sa re ga ba da ga ba da sa ga ba da sa ga ba da sa Pina payodara Pina payodara bhara bharena Harin pari rabya saraga Harin pari rabya saraga Gopavadhuranu gayati kachi Sari ga ba da ga ba da sa. Sani sani da ni da sani da ba da sani da ba ma ma ga ga re sa. Sari ga ba da sa. Veena Sri Jaya Deva Bhanita Midama Bhuta Sri Jaya Deva Bhanita Midama Bhuta Kesava Keli Rahasam Kesava Keli Rahasam Vrindavana Vipine Lalitam Vrindavana Vipine Lalitam Vitonontu Suhani Yasasyam Haririyamuda Badhuni Kare Haririyamuda Badhuni Kare Vilasini Vilasati Vilasini Vilasati Vilasini Vilasati Keri Pare Haririyamuda Badhuni Kare Haririyamuda Haririyamuda Badhuni Kare.
Thank you very much.